Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a layout for the scrap room. We are playing with the sketch challenge today and using the Simple Stories Crafty Things collection from the Flavors of the Month kit. If you want to check out an entire breakdown of what is in this month's Flavors of the Month kit, this portion, you can stay tuned to the end of the video and there will be a breakdown of everything that I received in my kit. But right now I am starting with papers and just getting what I want down. So I love the notebook background basically on this page. So I want to use just a chunk of it in the sketch. And the other side is the beautiful multicolored stripe. So I'm cutting some and then using a little bit of the pink on the top. I'm going to save that bottom half for another layout. And then I want to bring in some more colors. So I really liked the fact that I kind of created a muted background with the white on the white cardstock, the white pattern paper on the white cardstock. So now I'm really going to gear for, I really want to use that yellow grid paper. I'm really attracted to yellow pattern papers. I love them. They're so bright and sunshiny. And then I think a balance would be that rainbow side. So I actually will cut a chunk from the half of the flower that I did keep on the other side. I will cut a chunk out for that. So those will be my two main pieces behind for the sketch. I've got two photos of my son meeting my sister's first baby for the first time in the hospital. So pre-COVID, because everybody was allowed to come see people in the hospital actually. So I've got photos of him meeting her and holding her for the first time. We got to watch her get an outfit change, heard her cry. It was all a really fun experience for him, being a little bit older and getting to see a baby and being so gentle with her. So, and then I'm going to play with the embellishments that you get in the kit and create some clusters just like in the sketch. Instead of a little tab on the right hand side, I am going to use some of the foam stickers. Everybody's going to get some foam stickers. And I like that I essentially got a title. So I'm going to just have you and me. And ironically, I can't remember for sure, but I'm pretty sure I've done another page of him meeting her and calling it You and Me. I'm pretty sure I did. I will have to look back and see if I can find it just for curiosity's sake. But I did back my photos with some scrap paper from my stash, just a very pale blue pattern. It's kind of like almost like a tie-dye type, almost looks like a mixed media pattern, just to give it a little color so when it stands up against all the white and all the other color that is going on. Got some beautiful giant florals in my portion of this kit in the ephemera pieces, and then these gorgeous enamel dots, which I'm super excited about. And yeah, I ended up getting gold ones. I haven't looked at this entire collection to find out like what the other colors are, but I'm so excited that I got gold. Everybody gets a variety of them. So yeah, but this comes together real quick. Like I did pop up the photo on the left with foam a little bit just to give it a little bit of elevation compared to everything else. Not a ton, especially because I'm going to use the foam title and then a couple of the other foam thickers for embellishing, just so there's more things that are kind of standing up. But super simple. Love this sketch. You can add to it, you can subtract, like you can keep it simple the way they designed it, and you could go all out. So a lot of different variety with sketches. That's the great thing about sketches. I will bring in the embellishment add-on, which ends up being the 12 by 12 sticker sheet for this collection. So you'll see that here, a peek of it, and you'll see a peek of the papers as well for the paper add-on. So I highly recommend you get those because it just makes your kit stretch even farther. So I appreciate you guys watching so much. This, like I said, this one comes together really quickly. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Thanks for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for a breakdown and some close-ups here shortly. And otherwise, come again. Thanks. Bye. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and Welcome to the portion of the video where I show you everything that was in the kit that we just played with. We played with Simple Stories Crafty things. I'm not usually all about crafty themed collections, but this one, the items I got, luckily, not super crafty. They can definitely be changed into other things. So if you didn't realize that about this collection, hopefully I did a great job of showing that you can do other layouts that are not necessarily craft related. So Simple Stories Crafty things. We've got 2 sheets of white cardstock from American Crafts, as well as 3 sheets of pattern paper. We get Make Pretty Things, which is this gorgeous black with this popping paintbrush of flowers, and then a fun stripe on the other side, and then obviously another good stripe, but we're going horizontal this time, and it's called This Right Here, and the back side is this lovely background ready to go with this beautiful floral. And then last but not least, this one's called Cute and Happy. It's a gorgeous floral on one side and this fun yellow grid on the other. So those are our pattern papers we're playing with today, or we played with today, I should say, since you just watched the process video. And then the embellishments I got in my kit, which many times for the ScrapRoom kits, these will vary per kit because she's taking an entire collection and dividing it up, just so you get a little taste. And sometimes that's the best way to have a collection because then you actually use it, because you only have a little bit. So everyone's gonna get some of the foam stickers. Simple Stories does the 2 6x12 things in a package, so you get just part. So I got fun and me and you, those phrases, and then this lovely little heart, and this good, and this a nice little golden heart. And then you're gonna get a mixture of floral bits and pieces and some enamel dots as well. So those are also gonna vary per kit. So you will get the same types of items, but not maybe the same exact items. And there's lots of tiny bits in here that, watch, I can't flip over with my fingernails. Okay, so I've got a couple gray florals. There's the enamel dots that I get. I haven't checked out this collection in its entirety either to see the different enamel dots that come with it, but I like that I kind of got the goldy ones. Nice little yellow. This is some of the craftiest stuff I got, which was a pack of pencils, whatever. It's craft o'clock somewhere. A couple good floral clusters. Simple Stories makes some of the prettiest florals. This it's like a caboodle. If you guys remember what caboodles are, I don't know what, it's a case of some sort, but it could be luggage. It could be made into something else. An X-Acto knife, which I think is hilarious. So I can make that into something, and then tiny little ink. And then these 2 golden florals are my favorite things. So those can be interpreted to a lot of things. These are maybe the only things that could not be interpreted to something else. And actually this could be office, working, yeah, anything. So I've got some ideas brewing in my head, and hopefully you just saw it. So, I mean, we're going to play with the sketch too. So we played with the sketch. Yeah, I love this is the hardest part about filming these, is that I film this and I'm actually planning, but yet you guys are seeing this after the fact. So that is the breakdown of what's in the kit. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out the website and the blog and the Facebook group to check out challenges and inspiration. And always go ahead and go shopping for yourself and get yourself the kit. And yeah, it'll be grand old time. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.